So the name of the app is Dapli. Because in Karaya, when you say Dapli, that's bayan or
Ulam.
sudan, ulam.
Mm.
Okay, so what's Dapli? Dapli is like a mobile app where the user can scan ingredients, then they will recommend a Filipino dish sa mga user nila. And if you have certain allergies, they're gonna filter it. Okay, so the question here is, meron na bang existing app na ganito? Okay, so from other countries, there are app na nag-exist na nagsasuggest ng recipe, but number one, they focus on Western cuisine. Second is they do it to recommend calorie count, something like that, but not really focusing on people's allergen or kung ano yung mga bawal sa kanila. Like I mentioned earlier, na if meron ka certain allergy sa isang, let's say, sa ganito bing recipe, meron kang allergy, we will do substitution or hindi namin i-recommend yung ganitong recipe sa'yo.